Hey guys, hey guys, it's Minecraft. Today I'm going to be remodeling my character, but I will still have the same hair, but I'm just gonna remodel it for a change. But show you how I get ready, I guess you would say. Right now I'm like, I'll have nothing on it on my character, so I'm gonna go to bodies. I'm gonna go to packages. I'm gonna go over here. Okay, so then after that, we're gonna press R15. See what R15 looks like again. Hold on, guys, let me. Okay. It's loading. Look at those. Those are weird. Oh well. So I got that on. I'm going to get this animation on. Now I'll be R6. I'm gonna go to left legs. I'm gonna turn that into a man. And then I'm gonna go to my other left, well, my right leg. Turns that like that, so I have like big thighs, I guess you could say. Or like a big butt. Like, I guess we're gonna dress up like, a weirdo today. So, yeah, we're gonna go to heads and we're gonna see the trim really quick. Yeah, the trim looks weird. Let's put the woman head. We're gonna go over to the all accessories. We're going to get our cinnamon hair. Our face is going to be either the know-it-all grin, which looks like that. Hold on, let me go to body. Let's go to face. We can have that. We can have this. We can have this. And we can have this. I'm thinking of going with this one or this one. But I'm gonna go with the girl. I'm gonna go with all. Oh. We're gonna just go with the smiling girl. And we're gonna put our dust mask on, if we can find it. Yep, right here. Okay. Then we're gonna pick an outfit. We can do lit, we can do cute. Let's see the cute. No. Trendy. Let's try the lit one. The lit one looks more like, I guess you could say realistic. I don't know. Gonna go to body. We're gonna go to packages again. Well, no, we're gonna go to torsos. And then see the man. Definitely no. And then let's go to right arm really quick. Yeah, no. Let's take the torso off. Oh. No, let's do woman torso. We're gonna go to right arms again. Woman right. Yep. So, that's what my character looks like so far. We're gonna go to accessories. Gonna put this on. This on. on this. I feel like just that. Anything else? We can put, that should be it. So, let's go into a game. And I'll see you in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we are in the game. Sorry about this backpack. Wow, this backpack has to ruin the moment. Anyway, wow, we looking good. Yep. Anyway, hopefully you guys like this video. Why do people like to dig all the way in the corners? That's my real question. Oh my gosh, they're already in the green. Green is a really, like, good to be in. Like, this area is on my balls. And who, let's... Oh, 2000. Sorry guys about that noise. Anyway, hopefully you guys liked that video, and yeah.